Hi guys, today we're doing one of Jamaica's favorite soup, red pea soup. So watch if you want to see how we make it. So I'm using salted beef and chicken foot, and of course I'm going to pressure it because I don't have hours to cook the meat. I'm going to pressure the meat and peas together. So now this is some of the ground provisions that I prepped earlier, and then I'm just going to start peeling the sweet potato, the yuca, and roll up the dumpling. I'm going to use chicken noodle. I'm straining it because I don't want the actual noodles in it. And now the peas and meat, they're finished cooked. I'm gonna put it into the big pot, start adding the dumpling. This is the yam. Guys, look how good the yam look. And then add the rest of the food. So I'm also going to use coconut milk, so I'm going to add it here. I'm going to also use my fresh seasoning, the chicken noodle, and then black pepper, guys, some all-purpose, and a little salt to taste. And then guys, we just allow it to cook down at this point. And can I tell you, guys, when I tell you this was so good,